Hi, everybody. For the last video here, I'm going to discuss a couple things, trim and concatenation with the plus sign. So I wrote up a query here where I'm selecting the first name and last name, and I'm concatenating, meaning I'm joining those two columns together. And I have them two ways. I have the first way where I'm using no trim, and I've named that first last, no trim. And then the second one I'm doing with trim, and so I use the RTrim, which means right trim, which is going to remove all the extra spaces following the value. So basically, if my name's Jason and the first name is 30 characters long, if I don't use that RTrim, then I'm going to have 25 extra spaces after my first name before the last name is displayed. And I also had to add a space between first name and last name, otherwise they would be concatenated literally together to where there would be no space. So I added so we used the plus for concatenation, and then I did a single quote space single quote, which will put a space in for us, and another concatenation with last name. So let's go ahead and execute. So we can see here where we did not do any trim, that we have a lot of space between the first name and the last name, whereas where we did trim, we only have the single space in between, which is was added again by having the single quotes with a space in between those two plus signs. The concatenation method for if you're to use Oracle SQL is two pipes or vertical lines. So it's a little bit different for that, but just remember for Microsoft SQL that we use plus instead of those pipes. And that pretty much covers that. Thanks.